Hi! In front of me is Honor 70 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and choosing Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Following that, tap on this plus icon and set up an hour. When you're done, tap on Repeat and choose Days of the Week by tapping on the chosen ones. When you're ready, hit OK. Now click on Sound section, select Allow in the pop-up and click on Vibration section at the top. Pick perfect vibration pattern for your incoming alarm by tapping on it, or disable it completely by hitting None. Then click on the back button once, tap on one of those melodies, or select Music on device and pick any song from your smartphone. Wherever you decided, when you're done, click on Label. Label your alarm however you want to. If you want to, select OK. Click on Ring Duration and decide how many minutes your alarm will ring. You can also click on Snooze Duration and swipe left or right on those two sliders to decide how many minutes your snooze will take and how many times it will repeat. Then hit OK. Finally, to save your alarm, click on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, mine was successfully created. You can switch it off completely thanks to this switcher next to it, and edit it by clicking on it and changing whatever you wish to. To save your changes, tap on the check mark again. If you want to get rid of your alarm completely, click on it, and instead of editing it, tap on Delete button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!